My name is Vinay Jangam. In today's activity, I am going to tell you how to make a how to open an activity by just clicking on a single button. Okay, this is our today's activity. I have just created my new project, just stating, and kept my project name given to the project name also as my application. I have not even changed the name also. You can see that there is a hello world also. So let's start the project. To start our project, we need to change the layout of a constant layout. It is relative layout actually. We are changing the layout. Layout set as relative layout. Then we need to change the name, the text. We can set it as activity 1. As activity 1. As activity 1, we don't need any of these constraints, so we can delete it. As you can see in the design that there is a text name as activity 1 printed out over here in the top corner. Let's take it in the middle. So enter Android text size text size I am keeping as 30 sp. We also want to change the layout, so we need to take I am taking the activity 1 in the center, so that we need to change the layout. I am keeping it as center vertical, true. Then center horizontal, true. So you can see immediately in the design that activity 1 is printed in the center. As said, now to create a new activity, just right click, go to our package, right click on our package, select new activity and empty activity. We can give the name of the activity as activity 2. I'm giving the name as activity 2. Activity 2 and done. As you can see, that activity 2 has been created. For this we just need to copy this all the constraint and paste it in our activity 2 layout. So I am copying it. I'm copying it in activity 2 XML layout. We'll change the text name as text activity 2. Okay, as you can see in the design also, that activity 2 has printed in the top left corner. We'll take it in the middle. So for that we need to again do Android layout horizontal, true. Then Android layout center vertical, true. Just cutting this 0. As you can see in the design, that activity side has been changed. Now we are again going to our main activity where we have done the transaction. We need to create a button, so just click B, button, enter, wrap content, enter, wait a minute. Android layout, below. For this we need to set an ID of a button. I'll drag a button from here. You can see the button has been created over here. We'll give the ID as just button. Text ID button. As you can see, the button has been created in the top left corner. We need to take it in the center. So for that we need to type Android layout horizontal, and set it as true. And coming next, Android text equals to Android text equals to open activity 2. Open activity 2. As you can see in the design also, you can see that where open activity 2 has been printed in the center of the screen of the layout. Now is the main job of creating the main activity file, not main activity, main Java file. We just need to import all this. For that we need to type private button, and name it as button. Okay. After clicking that button, we need to also create an ID, so that from which after clicking the button we can it can find that what activity is to be created. For that we need to put enter, wait a minute, So that we are setting now button equals to open bracket again button and then find view by ID, so that our ID is r.id dot button. Then again button dot set onClick listener. In it we need to initial our new view onClick listener. Wait a minute. View onClick listener. After creating that, we need to also implement a button and activity to our activity 2. So for that we need to open public, wait a minute, public, wait a minute, public void open activity 2. Open brackets, enter. We need, it is just a simple process to intend. We need to do intend we'll take it as intend only, as intend equals to new intend that is selected files this, comma, our class which is activity 2 dot class. Enter. Start activity. Wait a minute. Start activity intend, again intend, this is how our entire layout will look now. You can see this. If you will press on this activity 1, then it will again open to you directly on activity 2. Like this, our project becomes complete. Now time has come to run the program. Okay. The program has been running. You can see that there are no errors occurred during the running of the program. You can check our program on our devices. Thank you for watching our tutor. Thank you for watching my video. You can, if you like the video, you can subscribe our channel through visitors also. Okay, thank you for watching this video.